Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas, latest designing United States country style here and there. Today's video is to very interesting for you. This is amazing Christmas days and Christmas decoration design. In today's video you will see how Christmas day decoration is done and how the colors of Christmas day decoration are spotted and which design you can make in both of theirs. I have specially made this video for you. Watch the video and subscribe to the channel and like the video and comment it so that the upcoming video can reach you. It is amazing, nice looking and very beautiful Christmas decoration and Christmas wall decoration design. You tell in the comment which video you like and we will make that type of video for you. This is a video related to Christmas day. Watch and enjoy. This video is a very beautiful design for you. Watch and show this design to children also and enjoy this video, and please like and subscribe this channel Home Decoration Ideas 289. I show you a picture of Christmas decoration design and very beautiful Christmas wall decor and wall decoration ideas. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. And thanks for watching this video. Until next time, take care.